Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start with 2 essential precautions. Make a system restore point and save all work now. Once done, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar to review visible options. These built-in controls are limited, so the next step prepares you for a deeper change. Make sure to close apps that could lose data and keep the registry editor handy. This prevents data loss and speeds up the final apply step when you restart Explorer or sign out and back in. Now you edit the registry to control taskbar size. Open Regedit and navigate to HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /Explorer /advanced. Create or modify a word named taskbar C. Set it to 0 for small, 1 for default, or 2 for large. This changes the icon and bar scale because Windows reads that value at session start. Once you save the word, close Regedit, then restart Explorer from Task Manager or sign out and back in so the shell reloads and applies the new size. Finish by restarting Explorer. Open Task Manager, select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Check the taskbar size, confirm icons and spacing match expectations. If something goes wrong, restore your registry backup or the system restore point you made earlier, or delete the taskbar C value to revert. As an alternative, consider reliable third-party utilities if you want more customization. One key troubleshooting tip: if changes don't apply, sign out and sign in, because a full session reload ensures Windows reads the new registry value.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.